Ever walked away from a conversation feeling like you just couldn't quite connect with the other person? It might not be what you said, but how you said it. Our body language speaks volumes, even before we utter a word. Unfortunately, some nonverbal cues can unintentionally create a barrier and make people distrust you. So, how can you ensure your body language is sending the right message? Let's explore 5 common mistakes that can erode trust and how to adjust your nonverbal communication for more positive interactions. Mistake number 1, the fortress, crossed arms and closed posture. Imagine you're approaching someone with their arms tightly crossed, shoulders hunched, and a furrowed brow. Not exactly an inviting image, right? This closed posture subconsciously communicates defensiveness, disapproval, or even hostility. The trustworthy fix: open up your posture. Stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, arms uncrossed, and a slight forward lean. This conveys openness, approachability, and genuine interest in the conversation. Mistake number 2, the shifty eyes, constant darting and avoidance. Making eye contact is a cornerstone of trust-building communication. However, there's a fine line between confident eye contact and the unsettling feeling of someone with constantly darting or averted eyes. The trustworthy fix: maintain steady eye contact, but don't stare. Brief, natural breaks in eye contact are okay, but avoid looking away excessively. Aim for around 60% eye contact to show attentiveness and sincerity. Mistake number 3, the nervous Nelly. Fidgeting and fiddling restless body movements like tapping your foot, clicking a pen, or playing with your hair can project nervousness, anxiety, or even boredom. While occasional fidgeting is normal, excessive movement can distract and create a sense of unease in the other person. The trustworthy fix: be mindful of your body movements. Take slow, deliberate breaths to calm your nerves. If you find yourself fidgeting, try clasping your hands or placing them on your lap. Mistake number 4, the intimidator, invading personal space. There's an invisible bubble of personal space that everyone carries around them. Getting too close during a conversation can be perceived as aggressive, intimidating, or even disrespectful. The trustworthy fix: be mindful of the distance between you and the other person. A comfortable conversational distance is usually around arm's length. Pay attention to subtle cues like the other person leaning back or stepping away. It might be your signal to adjust your position. Mistake number 5, the fake smile, the unnatural upward grin. A genuine smile is a powerful tool for building trust and rapport, but a forced, unnatural grin can have the opposite effect, appearing disingenuous or even manipulative. The trustworthy fix: let your smile come naturally. True smiles reach the eyes, with crinkling at the corners. If you're unsure, err on the side of a neutral expression. Remember, a genuine smile is always more impactful than a forced one. Beyond the mistakes, building trust through positive body language. While avoiding these mistakes is crucial, there are also proactive ways to build trust through positive body language. Mirroring, subtly mimicking the other person's body language, posture, hand gestures, can subconsciously create a sense of connection and rapport. Head nods. Nodding occasionally shows you're actively listening and engaged in the conversation. Open palms. Keeping your palms open during conversation conveys honesty and openness. Smiling, when genuine. As mentioned earlier, a genuine smile is a powerful tool for building trust. Remember, body language is a nuanced art form. Cultural differences can also play a role in how certain gestures are interpreted. However, by being mindful of the mistakes mentioned above and incorporating positive body language cues, you can significantly improve your ability to connect with others on a deeper level and establish a foundation of trust in your interactions. So there you have it. By being aware of these 5 common body language mistakes and incorporating positive nonverbal cues, you can become a more trustworthy communicator in all aspects of your life. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on communication skills, body language, and building stronger relationships. Remember, effective communication requires both verbal and nonverbal skills. By mastering both, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and trustworthy communicator.